In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update direct deposit information for a tax refund and what to do if your return has already been accepted. If you entered bank account information for direct deposit and then realize something needs to be corrected, the first thing to understand is that your options depend entirely on the status of your tax filing. So before making any changes, check whether your return has already been filed and accepted or whether it is still in a stage where updates are allowed. If your return has not yet been filed or has not yet been accepted, go to the file section of your tax software and look for the direct deposit area. That is where you can update your routing number and account number. Take your time here and review each digit carefully because even a small typo can cause delays. It is a good idea to compare the numbers directly with your official bank information rather than relying on memory. Once the updated banking details are entered, make sure everything looks correct before moving on. If your return has already been accepted, it is important to know that the account details can no longer be changed at that point. Once the IRS has accepted the return with the direct deposit information submitted, that banking information is essentially locked in for that refund. In other words, there is no option within the filing process to go back and replace the routing or account numbers after acceptance. In that situation, the next step is simply to wait for the bank to reject the deposit. This usually happens if the account number is invalid, the account is closed, or the bank cannot match the deposit to a valid account. While waiting, avoid trying to resubmit new banking details through the same return, since that will not override the accepted information. After the bank rejects the electronic funds transfer, the IRS will automatically mail a paper check to the address it has on file for you. That means the refund is not lost, but it may take longer to arrive because it must go through the rejection process first and then be reissued by mail. For that reason, it is especially important that your mailing address on file is current and accurate. So to recap in a simple way, if your return has not yet been filed or accepted, go to the File section, open direct